Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my AlieEdwards one little word haul. And this is not everything. This is just things that I just received. I signed up for the class and I ordered some things to, kits to work with. And you know me, it had to be the stuff on sale. So, and I had a coupon and all that kind of good stuff. So, I did pick up this book because don't count the day, or this cup, don't count the days make the days count. And that is a Muhammad Ali quote. I didn't even know that. But I mean, that is so biblical. It really is. So I just thought that was neat. So I picked up some additional page inserts where you drop sleeves. So all different sizes, and here we go. All different sizes and types, which are so great when you do these type of notebooks. And I have 2 or 3 notebooks right over here I'm going to pull from and use. So I'm not worried about that. And then, so here is the first kit. And maybe, yeah, it's one little word kit. So, all right, I don't even know. Ooh, stay cozy. I don't think I ordered that. Maybe that was extra. I don't know. Okay, so I picked up one of her pins. And it was, of course, on sale. And Ginger, I still have this here. Can you believe it? Oh, it works beautifully. I hadn't even tried anything. I barely pulled it out just to show you guys today. So I've got Stay Cozy. I love that. And I may put that in there because that would fit in one of the drop sleeves. So, okay, so these are one little word. And I didn't mean to tear it because I can use this in my junk journaling. So how many of you guys have a word for the year? It really took me a long time to decide what that word is, but today is Thursday, and I had to delay War Room and things like that because of kind of what was going on nationally. And the first thing the word that just keeps coming to mind as I pray about it, is the word peace. And then after yesterday and what happened in DC, I just thought, peace is the word. Peace is the word. So, so these are just wordfetti. And these were all on sale. So I love when things are on sale. And I'm going to put this over there for my junk journal. Super excited. And then these 2 different stamps. So my story journal, journey, learning, growing, finding, listening, giving, right, navigating, I am, making, loving, now, and this word. So super fun. And this is the one little word stamp set. Another one little word stamp set is small progress is still progress. Amen. I love its progress over perfection. I love that. I love that. Making time for what matters most. Words matter. Say yes, say no. Love this word because this is what it looks like in the finding my way right now. I can do this, learning and honoring the beautiful, messy pieces of the process of being me. I am going to be doing the online class with Alie, and I think Allie's doing it. Anyways, I've really only done one other class, and I'm excited to do this. I just decided that this year was about me working on the things that I think I need to work on. And I'm not trying to be selfish or sound selfish. I just think there are some things that I need to kind of get back. And I'm not going to go back in my life because you can't go backwards. But I think there are some things I need to focus on. And sometimes you just need that accountability of a class. So this is another small, I think this was the mini kit. And of course, you get the zipper pouch. And I love all of her pouches. I'm not going to lie. I just love them. So, and I'm going to try to save that sticker and reuse it. Of course, you can use undo, but I don't have any right here. Whoops, I almost had it. Let me see. I think I got it. Woohoo! All right, I'm going to save this over here. And so we have all of these great little banners to use. I love that. She always has some great journaling cards. It says, I don't want to get to the end of my life and find that I've just lived the length of it. I want to have lived the width of it as well. And that is by Diane Ackerman. So super, super neat. And then the chipboard stickers are welcoming this word into my life right now, ready to begin again, less fear, more love. There are years that I ask questions and years that answer them. Ooh, who is that by? Hold on, let me see here. Zora Neale Hurston? I don't know. Sorry, it's so hard to read. And showing up and doing the work. I love the XO. Of course, that reminds me of my grandmother. Finding grace in the middle of the journey and making time for what matters most. Expressing my life, my intentions via images, making them visible. So super, super neat. Here are little hexagons with, let's see what they say. I just feel like I'm having to hurry today because I've been just running since I woke up, and we're at the end. I just have to get dinner going. So, trusting myself. And these are kind of pleathery. And this one says, I can do it. I love that. Or maybe they feel like fabric. I don't know. Sticky backed. My story matters. And we can do hard things. Worth it. And start small. I like that. So there is that, and I'm really into hexagons this year. I don't know why. Make it visible. Ooh. Have you ever had a word for the year and nobody knows your word? I know. I have. I gotta be honest. And look at all the wonky hearts. There's just a ton of them in there. All the different colors. Aren't those pretty? So I think that'll be fun. Another stamp set that came with the mini kit, and it says note to self. Then you can make a list with a checkbox that you can print, stamp as many as you want. There are the numbers to go to the side of it, the XOXO, and then just a really pretty, you can even use these on your calendars, like a floral, is that a dahlia? Background stamp. I think that would be really pretty. And then last but not least, out of this little doodad, this little kit, and again, I think this was the mini kit for 2021. So here we have one little words, and they're clear. So isn't that neat? I'm going to use that card. It says, deep breaths, living it, we can review. Every step is progress, slowly, not surely. A new me, my story matters, worth it, working hard, brave, making a plan, focus on the goal, I can do it, improving, happy with the progress I've made so far, breathe. This little word, step by step. So I'm not going to read them all, but I love things like that. These are the encouragements I need. I'm going to take this, put this over here, and this, so I can use that in my other junk journal project. And I'm just going to add that in with all of these goodies. And they will go right back in my little, actually, I'm going to put it all in this big bag. So that is the great thing about Allie, is that there's always these resources that work so beautifully. And then she sends, bags and whatnot that you can organize with. I'm going to put that with the other, here it is, word fetties. So I'm getting myself organized while we're talking. Thank you for your patience with me. All right, I'm not going to put that in. I'm going to put that, it would fit in the bag, but I'm going to put that in the notebook journal. And I'm hoping tonight to get the notebook set up. If not, I will set it up tomorrow, and I'll do it tomorrow and I'll bring you with me. How's that? These I love. I love these pouches. They're just fantastic. That's all I'm going to say. I love these pouches. So I'm going to set that up there because this will all fit in the other. So I will use it for something else. So it came with some really neat gray, white, and like charcoal gray washi. And here is some more XO and hearts of that more gray and black neutral little acetate, kind of film-like, And look at these. Aren't these pretty? I love these. All the butterflies, they're felt. And so they have black and charcoal gray and a light gray. And they're stitched in a like metallic silver, as you can see there. So beautiful. And so now we have the months of the year. So I'm not even going to pull these out because you can see. So there's December. And it's all lowercase and a font. And then it is, it looks like it's embroidered, but I think it's more of a, I don't know, maybe it is embroidered. Hold on, let's see. Let me see if I can get it open. I'm trying not to mess. I'll tell you what, I'm not going to mess with that sticker because I'm going to save all those one little word stickers and reuse them. I know, I'm cheap. You heard it here. I'm cheap. Okay, we have to reuse everything. So, no, they're not. They're stamped is what they are. I don't know how that design is done. It feels like cloth, but it's sticky backed. So interesting. Isn't that interesting? And it is just months of the year. I was thinking if January's in the middle, but yeah, no. There's just one set. Super neat. Can't wait to use that. Here are, let me put that back. Here are the veneer words, and, well, I should have kept that out. Oh, no, I can open it. That's funny. They put the sticker on the other side. Okay, so we have, get that out of the way, making it happen. Ooh, I like that. And then we have, I am powerful, beautiful, brilliant, and brave. That is one. And then I can do this. I like those. That's really neat. And, you know, as a Christian, you know, we're to be humble, but I think there are things that we need to understand because we are a child of God. We can, through his grace, do different things. And I think that he didn't create junk. So these statements, if you've been through a rough time, sometimes we need to hear those things. And God uses that in our lives. So, all right. So I'm going to put this in my junk journal pile. I know. Every time you watch a video, that's what it's going to be now, right? I'm sorry. If you don't like that part, just, you know, hum a song when I say that, okay? These I love. I love, love, love. Look at these tags. Thoughts on this journey. And you can write. And then here's the XOXO, but you can write on that side. And then learning, you can make lists there, the things you're learning this year, and then check it off for the things you want to learn. And then you can journal on the back. And in the drop sleeves, I have some that are just the small. So I will be putting these three, I will pull 3 of those out of my stash and put them in this journal. And then the rest of this are just small tags. But aren't they fun? You know, I'm a tag person. I've always loved tags. I love making them. I love decorating with them. I love playing with them. So this is, well, here, let me put this with the junk journal. It's okay to grow slow. Oh, I love that. And then here's just a blank one, but they're, you know, you can punch the hole out and they're blank on the other side, which you can use your reinforcement rings. You can do whatever you want around those. And that one, there's that same pattern from the stamp. Pardon me. This is not easy, but I'm here for it all. I love that. More of this, please. Lessons learning. Right now, I feel, yep, I can do this. Bring on the growth. I love that. Look at that. You can make a list, your 3 priorities for the month. And then XOXO, which reminds me of my grandmother. So I love that. Now, ooh, look at all the wonky hearts. There's silver gray and charcoal gray. Love that. Not even going to pull that out. Oh, they're chipboard hearts. So they're dimensional. I love that. Okay, one little word. And this is, hold on, let me see. Oh, I hate to cut it open this way. I wish I had my little pokey tool. I've lost my pokey. It's in one of the boxes of what I've been working on. So we'll find it. We'll find it. When we move everything out to the cottage, all those baskets will be emptied. And they're big, big baskets on the floor that have the project I've been working on. Okay, I'm not going to pull that out because I'm just damaging it. But one word can be a very powerful thing. Blank, make it visible. So write the word. And each one of these cards has a task for this project. So I think that is going to be a lot of fun. And seriously, you don't have to take the class to do this project. I'm just doing it. I just decided that it's time. It's time for me to have an accountability partner and to learn new things. And I think that that's what classes are. They're an opportunity to learn new things. And actually, this is just, oh no, I was going to say I thought it was one piece, but it's not. Hold on one second. But I'm super excited. If you are taking the One Little Word class with AlieEdwards, please leave a comment below so we can say hi to each other and check with each other and see. So each one of these vellums have a message. So this one says open to learn, open to understand, open to questions, open to discover, open to the power of words working in my life. I love that. I'm not going to read them all, but you can see how nice. There are tons of these little vellum. I don't even know. Maybe there's 12, one for each month. I don't know. And these are just really good prompts to get us started. Walking with my word isn't always simple and easy, but I'm here for it and I will keep showing up. I love that. Embracing all pieces of me as one big work in progress. Too much fun. I love that. Okay. 2 more pieces and I will let you go. So here are the individual pages that will go in the drop sleeve, or you can punch a hole and put them in your notebook, however you like to do it. And each one has a prompt for you to work on throughout the year. I also did pick up the digitals for the 2020. And yeah, so I'm excited. I'm excited to do that. And then here are the Cork Butterflies, the white card or chipboard butterflies, stars, hearts. How much fun is that? So just decorative. It's different. It's, I'm not a gray girl. I'm not a neutral color girl. So, you know, I'm going to throw some pink in there, but you know, because I'm a pink girl. But the reason I picked up this one is there's pink in it, there's yellow in it, there's other colors. So it will be just a different journey this year for me, and I'm excited about that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's a different kind of AlieEdwards unboxing, but yeah, and I'm excited to do the class. It was very interesting. I was doing my lunch crowd, you know, here on YouTube chat, and when the gal said, oh yeah, I'm doing the AlieEdwards One Little Word, and I was like, really? Hey, I signed up for it too. Wow. You know, it was kind of neat to have a running mate. So if anybody here, a part of this channel, is going to be doing it, and I'm just going to be really careful with these veneers and get them in between two hard surfaces since I took them out of the bag. But if you're going to be doing it, let me know, and let's encourage each other on, because that's what this is about. I mean, this isn't anything more than, you know, working on ourselves this new year and what we can do with that. So, and how we can encourage others. You know, if we don't, I was saying this here the other day, it's just like a car that's getting ready to go on a long trip, which life is kind of like a long trip. And if we don't stop and put gas in the engine every now and then, how do we expect it to take us on the next 3-hour trip? I know. So, how's that for the white elephant in the room? So this is a little bit of my gas in my tank. So, all right, friends, I hope you guys are having a great day. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you for stopping by. Like and subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. Leave a comment. Love to hear from you if you're doing this. And if you're not doing this, do you have a word for the new year? And what is your word? What is your word? Mine is peace. I would love to hear what your word is. Okay, friends, I will be talking to y'all soon. You guys take care. Be safe. Love you. Bye-bye.